Hello and welcome to Noel's Retro Lab. Today we're going to do something a little different. This is going to be a short extra video in which we're going to open up some of the mail that I have waiting in this pile. I'm hoping that serves you as a glimpse into future videos as well as a sort of progress report into those videos that we have pending for me to get a particular part from somewhere. We have a lot of things to open. Let's get started. So with this first one, I'm kind of cheating a little bit because I opened up a while ago and it's been waiting, but I figured it's worth showing. This is a boxed VIC-20, and I'm particularly excited to look at this one because we actually haven't covered the VIC-20 at all in the channel so far, and that's a shame. So I'm hoping to open it up and see if it works, learn more about it, fix anything we have to fix, and see if we can leave it as good as new as usual. And this particular one even comes with a cassette specifically for the VIC-20, and I think maybe it's the same adapter as the Commodore 64. So that should be pretty exciting. Next up is also something that I received a couple of weeks ago, but it's also very unique. It's a Sinclair QL, something that I've mentioned a couple of times, but I've never actually fixed. So this was sent to me by Miguel Angel Rojo, and I know for a fact that it's not working. So it's going to be interesting to do some diagnosing and some fixing here. And it comes with the power supply and everything, which is good because I also have another Sinclair QL without the power supply. So I should be able to use this opportunity to also do a second repair video on my Sinclair QL. Next up is an Amstrad GX4000 console. If you remember a few months ago, I attempted to repair one of these and actually wasn't able to. This one is also supposedly not working, so hopefully between the two of them, we can get one of them working at least. Here I have a box coming from Finland. And yes, that's right. Right, so this is the numeric keypad, one key, and plunger for the SVI 328. If you remember, we are in the middle of repairing that one, and it was missing this key among tons of other problems. So once we get it working, it would be nice to finally complete the keyboard. Next, I have a package from Ivan Balia. Right. I'm in the middle of preparing an Amstrad CPC 6128 for him, and we were having issues with the floppy disk drive, the 3-inch floppy disk drive. Usually they're pretty easy to fix, and I went over that in actually one of my first videos in the channel, but sometimes they're particularly stubborn and it gets really complicated to fix them, so I was not able to fix that other one. So he sent me a new one. Hopefully this one will do it. In a future video, I actually want to get in depth in how to fix the tough problems of these kinds of drives. And finally, we have a really long package by Fernando Martin. And yeah, I know what's in this one. So here we should have not just one, but two Amiga 1200 boards. Apparently none of them are working, so this is my challenge to see if I manage to get at least one of them working. I actually don't have a huge amount of experience with getting deep down in Amiga repairs and electronics, so this will be a great opportunity. And fortunately, I do have my own Amiga 1200, and that will come extremely handy to compare signals between the two of them. Also, it comes with some spare parts that I think somebody recommended for him, or maybe he bought. So this will give us a great head start. This should make for quite an interesting video, or two or three. So there you go, short and sweet. That should give you a pretty good idea of some of the upcoming videos in the near future too. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Until next video, see you then.
Bye.
Bye.